welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be unboxing the Lamborghini Aventador, and I'll just tell you about the car in real life, and I'll just show you around the smaller model, the toy model. So yeah, this will be a quick one, just an unboxing, so let's get into it. So here it is, with the Lamborghini Aventador LP700. So it's actually not in this orange. This orange does look pretty nice. I think I had one of these, but that was a while ago, and it was one of the smaller versions, and I don't know where that is. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into this. The color is satin purple, I believe. The brand is Welly, and we're just gonna get into it. It's the 1/18 scale. It's one of like the top of the line versions, not like the smaller. Right, so there is a tag on the top here, so we need to open. Oh, it's not a tag. Keep getting this wrong. This is my second time I'm actually recording this. So open that. Styrofoam packaging. Pull it out like that, and it should come out nicely. Throw in the box like I do in every video. So here it is, styrofoam packaging. This says it should be the front. And toilet paper. It's kind of concerning. More toilet paper, I guess more, and it reveals the satin effect onto it. Looks pretty good. Taking the car out. So we have it here. It has a really like this kind of matte finish. Kind of can't see it, but it's kind of got like a little gloss to it, or whatever that means. It's got little markings in it, and it looks pretty good. Shines in the natural sun. The windows look like they've been put down. That's pretty good. Italian flag, as you know, this is an Italian car, Lamborghini. I like these little glass panes that go down that air into the engine. Exhaust, there's these quad exhausts, pretty nice. So yeah, same on the other side. Has this kind of, I'm guessing it's going to be a carbon fiber effect onto the top. It's like a really nice metal black finish to it. So obviously scissor lift doors, because you can't go wrong with that. The interior, nice Lamborghini steering wheel. It does have carpet inside if you look really closely, and it also has nice purple seats, so that's also a nice feature to it. Oh, and as well, carpet inside this, in here, as you can see, pretty big actually. You can fit some stuff like it did there and there. So yeah, then also the boot, not the boot, the engine opens. Reveals, I'm pretty sure, like a 4.8 liter V12. As you know, it's a V12. Produces about 690 horsepower. You know, very, very powerful engine. There's the SV of this car, and I checked on it. Actually has less horsepower, I think. 640 horsepower, still very powerful. All-wheel drive, automatic gearbox. So there's that. It's really nice. It has suspension, and let's get into a drop test. Joking. Obviously not going to be doing that because I don't have a channel with 1,000 subscribers. Speaking of subscribers, subscribe. I would actually really appreciate it. Anyway, so yeah, it's a nice car. You know, massive back tires. So yeah, that's the car. Okay, so my car collection. So we have two of the Lamborghinis in it. We have a 1/18 scale of Urus. Again, really nice, detailed. I'm not really going to get in depth with that. We have also a really nice, bright Lamborghini Huracan. You know, this is the 1/24 scale, so it's not as big as these ones, as you can see, but it's got a really nice, bright color. This one would be more like the, maybe the C-Class. So say this is Mercedes C-Class, this would be the E-Class, I guess. Or this would be the E-Class, this would be like the G63. maybe. Yeah, E63 and then not G63. What's the GT63? Whatever it's called. That's what these cars would basically be like. This is not the Performante. I don't actually have the Performante, but you know, this one is still really nice. I actually would get this color. It looks really like kind of a not really nice color on camera, but it is. It has tinted front headlights, so that's a good one. And this is just a nice yellow color. I don't know this, but I got this like a year ago. It's a Logitech steering wheel, simulator steering wheel. It's like the G90 or whatever for the Xbox. So I played Forza Horizon 4, and I got a BMW logo because yeah, it's the only thing that fits on it. So yeah, I just said that, and I got an M badge there. So that's something. Oh, and also, should I be doing gaming videos? Because I can do gaming videos. I will be buying the Xbox Series X soon, and because they're out of stock, obviously. Xbox, please bring them back in stock. Obviously not going to sponsor my video, but I'm in because I can record on my Xbox, and I can do gameplay with this, get the latest cars in it, and it'll be fun, yeah. So yeah, say in the comments if I should do gaming videos, or should I continue. I will be continuing car reviews as well as toy car reviews. So it's just an extra thing with the TV cars and more channel. And yeah, it's also not always cars. Sometimes I did unbox the iPhone 12 Pro, and I will be unboxing the Series X as soon as I get that. I am very late. But I'll just say my experience with it. So yeah. Hope you guys really enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the subscribe button and all that. You don't even have to do that. But like, it was a quick video, or it was a quick video. Not sure. Probably like over 5 minutes. Just yeah. Also say in the comments if I should do a gaming videos if I get the Series X. Please be back in stock. So yeah, if you did, smash the like button, whatever. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.